Hello guys and welcome to Yoshi Supplies. Today we're going to talk about our kitchen burner protector and how you can use it for your stove. So stay tuned because at the end of this video we're going to share a special offer. So let's get started. First of all, we remove all the accessories that goes along with the stove for easy and accurate measurement. Next up is we clean the surface of the stove prior placing the protector. We're just using a normal day-to-day cloth for cleaning the stove. Next is you measure the size of your stove. In my case, I've already measured the stove size and cut accordingly. The standard protector size is 27 centimeters by 27 centimeters each. If you're cutting the protector, leave at least 2 to 5 centimeters extra just in case if you have to resize again. Use scissor to cut the protector. Just a safety disclaimer that to avoid fire or any kind of damage, make sure that the protector are half to 1 inch away from the burner when on the highest setting and does not block any vent holes. And that's it. Now you just place all the accessories back onto the stove and all done. Now let's look at the fire test. As you can see, we are about to place the kitchen burner protector onto the fire and nothing happens because our product is fireproof and it can resist fire up to 260 degrees of Celsius temperature. You see that guys, that's how easy it is to use our product. Currently the product is going up for $15.99 and the offer we're going to make for today is just $10.99. It's on sale right now and the promotion will end this month. I'll put the link down in the description below for purchase or further product details. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share our videos with your friends and don't forget to like our Facebook page as well. Thank you and have a great day.